told you to go right, and you go left.
Okay.
I can prove it. Had you did what I told you to do, we would have been here 15 minutes ago. I told you, this boy has to be.
Right.
You know what the bathroom is, boy. Come on. Wait a minute. That boy 10 years old and y'all still taking him to the bathroom?
I told her to stop bathing.
What did you say, Harold? He said he told you to stop bathing these children.
I did not say.
Shut up. You did. No. Where's Kimberly? Harold, it's so good to see my two fine son-in-laws.
Yeah, wait.
I don't see one family.
Hey,
Don't turn that, don't leave that alone. Can you hear me say don't touch? Hell, you better get your fly.
Hey, stop that now. You see grown folks talking.
See this? Look at this right here. I tell you what.
Ma'am, don't kill him. Don't kill him.
Don't
Kill him, ain't bad.
Look, how can let that child act like he wants to if they want to? Oh, I got another one. Touch it again. Touch it. Touch it. Choco Zulu. Touch it.
Harold, you don't see us? He's just a kid. You know, he's a kid.
Shut up. He's a kid that needs to know who the parents are, Harold.
What do you expect, Dad, ma'am? They let these kids run around like they have no home training at all. That's why.
What did she just say?
Tammy, calm down.
She said she don't want her children around your children because your children act like food. They look like food.